we want to use the graph of f of x to estimate the instantaneous rate of change at x equals 4. The instantaneous rate of change of the function at x equals 4 is equal to the slope of the tangent line at x equals 4. It's also equal to the derivative function evaluated at x equals 4, or f prime of 4. So let's first locate the point on the function when x equals 4, which would be here. Next, we'll sketch the tangent line and then find the slope of that line. So here's the graph of the tangent line, and now to find the slope of this line, which is the instantaneous rate of change, we'll locate 2 points on this line, and we'll find 2 points where the coordinates are integers. So the point of tangency here looks good, where the coordinates are 4, 5, and now let's use this point here, where the coordinates look like they're approximately 5, 7. And now to find the slope of this tangent line, we want to find the change of y divided by the change of x. And we can do this using the slope formula here, or by looking at the graph. Notice how to go from the point on the left to the point on the right, we would have to go up 2 units, which means the change of y is positive 2. And then we'd have to go right 1 unit, so the change of x is positive 1. And therefore the instantaneous rate of change at x equals 4, or f prime of 4, is equal to 2 divided by 1, or just 2. The other option is to use these two-ordered pairs and find the slope using this formula here, again where we have the change of y divided by the change of x. So let's also show that. Let's call these the 1's, meaning x sub 1, y sub 1. We'll call these the 2's, meaning x sub 2, y sub 2. So we'll get the same result, but f prime of 4, or the instantaneous rate of change at x equals 4, is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1, that's 7 minus 5, divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1, that's 5 minus 4, which gives us 2 over 1, whereas we had before, positive 2. To understand what this means, though, it's helpful to have the instantaneous rate of change in fraction form, in this case 2 over 1. So if f prime of 4 is equal to 2 over 1, where the 2 represents the change of y, the change of function values, and the 1 represents the change of x, this tells us that when x equals 4, the function value, or y value, is changing at a rate of 2 units per 1 unit change in x. I hope you found this helpful.